The opportunity to go with other educators, be able to bring that to the classroom was something that immediately caught my interest.
So we've got a drawing here with all the pieces you'll need.
It's not every day that Alaska's educators get an education of their own.
This year we were super excited because we kicked off our first ever Natural Resource Management Teacher Externship for teachers from all across Alaska.
ARE took 14 teachers on an Alaska adventure to explore the state's natural resource industry through real-world experiences.
I'm lacking in understanding about the natural resources in Alaska and the scientific components of it, and so I felt like this would be a great way for me to really dive into the topic, to learn from a hands-on experience.
The teacher externship was designed to be an opportunity to take teachers out of their classrooms and get them in the field to see our natural resource sites, learn about career opportunities that their students can have.
They toured Usabelli Coal Mine, the Alaska Pipeline Training Center, University of Fairbanks Community and Technical College, Alaska Works, Alaska Center for Energy and Power, and more.
Fort Knox was super interesting, seeing an open pit mine and the process that it takes to go from that extraction all the way to the processing of the ore.
It's a valuable opportunity for teachers to truly understand the information they'll pass on to their students.
We still need education ourselves, and to be able to learn new things, and really one time if they do it with you, you're able to then do it yourself.
As a teacher, I don't have a lot of experience with Alaska's natural resources. And so learning from the experts who are actually controlling those natural resources and managing them helps me understand what I'm teaching to students.
Lessons that are an investment in the student's future.
I didn't realize all of the job opportunities that are available in the mining industry and beyond, and how you can actually go into a lot of those industries in a really sustainable kind of mindset.
My wheels are turning in terms of how I can use the different lessons I've learned within my class.
It was an education for myself that I am blessed to get to pass on.
It's also important for Alaska's future.
One of the most valuable parts of this trip is the ripple effect. We brought 14 teachers on the trip. Across those teachers for this coming school year, they're going to teach over 2,300 students information that they took away from the trip, and that's just for this year. So each year they will continue to teach more and more students, and as we bring more teachers on these trips, then that number will only increase.
I would definitely recommend ARE to other teachers and staff. It's been a great experience. They've given us lots of opportunities to see so many different careers and different facilities in Alaska.
I would definitely recommend this for other teachers. It's super fun, it's engaging, you learn a lot, and you can bring that back to your students. So I think it's a great opportunity.